Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay yung continuation pa rin ng Unit 3 which is all about inverse functions. The next lesson is about the composition of a function and its inverse. The composition of a function and its inverse is used to verify if two functions are inverses of each other. Remember that the notation for a function is f of x. And the notation for the inverse of a function is f raised to negative 1 of x. Let's proceed to the properties of a one-to-one function and its inverse. A one-to-one function, f of x, and its inverse, f raised to negative 1 of x, has the following properties. If we are going to compose the inverse with the original function, the answer is x. That is for all values of x of the function. Also, if we compose the function with its inverse, the answer is also x for all values of x of the inverse. Meaning to say, if we use the composition of function between f of x and its inverse, the answer should be a variable x lang. Otherwise, they are not inverse with each other. Let's have some examples to show how we are going to use the composition to verify if two functions are inverses of each other. Let's start with example number 1. Use the composition of functions to verify if the given pairs are inverses of each other. Suppose ang ating first function f of x is equal to negative 3x and our second function g of x is equal to negative x over 3. The solution will be, we're going to use the composition of f of g and g of f. Let's start with f of g. Dahil unang binanggit ang f, ang unang mo natin isusulat ay yung f of x. Ang ating f of x ay negative 3x. And then, we're going to replace the value of x with g of x. Ang ating g of x ay negative x over 3. So ito ang ating x, papalitan natin siya ng negative x over 3. Kaya magiging negative 3 times negative x over 3. Then proceed to simplification. Negative 3 times negative x over 3, the answer is positive 3x over 3. Dahil pwedeng ma-divide yung 3 divided by 3, the answer will be x. Therefore, ang ating f of g of x is equal to x. Ang sunod na i-check naman natin ay the composition of g of f. Dahil g ang unang binanggit, una muna natin isusulat yung ating g of x. Ang ating g of x ay negative x over 3. And then, we're going to replace the value of x with our f of x. Ang ating f of x ay negative 3x. Ito ang ating x, papalitan natin siya ng negative 3x. Kaya magiging negative 3x all over 3. Then, simplify. Ang negative times negative 3x is positive 3x. Then, may denominator pa na 3. So, dahil pwedeng ma-divide ulit yung 3 divided by 3, the answer is x. Therefore, ang ating composition g of f is equal to x. Since ang ating composition f of g and g of f ay parehas equal to x, therefore, our function f of x and g of x are inverses of each other. Let's have one more example. Example number 2. Use the composition of functions to verify if the given pairs are inverses of each other. Ang ating mga functions naman is, ang first function is f of x is equal to 1 over 3x minus 4. At ang second function natin ay g of x is equal to 3x plus 4. The solution will be, we're going to use the composition of f of g and g of f. Unahin muna natin ulit yung f of g. Dahil unang binanggit ang f, isusulat natin yung ating f of x. Ang ating f of x ay 1/3 x minus 4. Then, we're going to replace the value of x with our g of x. Ang ating g of x ay 3x plus 4. Ito yung ating x. Papalitan natin siya ng 3x plus 4. Kaya, 1/3 times the quantity of 3x plus 4 minus 4. Next, we're going to simplify. I-multiply natin yung 1/3 sa 3x. The answer is 3x over 3. 1/3 times 4 is 4 over 3. Therefore, 3x over 3 plus 4 over 3 minus 4. Ang pwede lang natin isimplify dito ay ito, 3 divided by 3. Ang matitira na lang ay x. Therefore, x plus 4 over 3 minus 4. Kaya ito ang ating sagot sa ating f of g of x. F of g of x is equal to x plus 4 over 3 minus 4. Kung mapapansin natin, it is not equal to x. I-try naman natin yung g of f. G of f of x, dahil unang binanggit ang g, isusulat natin yung ating g of x. Ang ating g of x is 3x plus 4. And then, we're going to replace the value of x with our f of x. Ang ating f of x ay 1/3 x minus 4. Ito yung ating x. Papalitan natin siya ng 1 over 3x minus 4. So, ito ay magiging 3 times the quantity of 1 over 3x minus 4, then meron pang plus 4. Then simplify natin, yung 3 i-multiply natin sa 1 over 3x, the answer is 3x over 3. And then yung 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Kaya, 3x over 3 minus 12 plus 4. 3 divided by 3 ay x na lang. Then negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8. Therefore, ang ating g of f is x minus 8. G of f of x is equal to x minus 8. Kung mapapansin natin, hindi pa rin siya equal to x. By conclusion, since the composition f of g and g of f are both not equal to x, therefore, ang ating mga functions f of x and g of x are not inverses of each other. That is how we use the composition of function in order to verify if two functions are inverses of each other. This is the end of our lesson about the composition of a function and its inverse. It is used to verify if two functions are inverses of each other. The next topic will be the properties and graphs of inverse functions.